Surface Laptop Go 3 is the perfect everyday laptop with the performance and all-day battery life you need to get it all done. With a vibrant 12.4-inch touchscreen display for work or play wherever you are, and a sleek design that's available in 4 stylish colours that set you apart from the crowd. The Surface Laptop Go 3 is the lightest of the Surface laptops, coming in at under 1.13 kgs. It's ultra portable and ultra stylish, and I think that it's time that we take it out of the box and have a closer look. As soon as we take off the lid, we're met with the beautiful device. Here we have the ice blue colour, which has to be a personal favourite of mine. We have this tab on the packaging, which is designed for accessibility and makes it a lot easier to get the product out of the box. Then we have all of our usual suspects, the user guides and warranty information, and of course your Surface Connect charger. Now it's out of the box, let's take a close look at the device itself. It has all the ports you need with a USB-C, USB-A, 3.5mm headphone jack, and of course your Surface Connect port for docking and charging. As we mentioned before, this device comes in all of the colours you crave with a cool metal finish, so you can get the device that best suits your own personal style. The Surface Laptop Go 3 is available in Platinum, Sage, Sandstone and Ice Blue, which is what we have here. The Surface Laptop Go 3 is light, portable and easy to take everywhere, weighing just under 1.13 kgs. It has a vibrant 12.4-inch PixelSense touch display with Surface's signature 3:2 aspect ratio, which gives you approximately 18% more vertical screen space for all you need to get done. This device has a full keyboard with a large precision touchpad. Surface Laptop Go 3's lid is made from anodized aluminium, which is what gives us these beautiful colours, and the base is made up with an aluminium and polycarbonate composite resin system with glass fibre and 30% post-consumer recycled content. Microsoft has a commitment to being carbon negative, water positive and zero waste by 2030, and that's why they aim to create Surface devices that reduce carbon impact across their life cycle, reduce waste, and they're built with integrity. So we've talked about the externals, but let's take a deep dive into the internals that make this a great device to power your day. Surface Laptop Go 3 is powered by Intel Core i5 processors to get your work done effortlessly, stream all of the latest releases, and run your favourite day-to-day apps. Now with faster performance and up to 16 gig of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. We also have up to 15 hours of battery life, which is also supported by fast charging. Surface Laptop Go 3 helps you sound your best with built-in studio mics and voice clarity to help remove background noise, and when you're listening, sound comes to life with multi-directional omnisonic speakers and Dolby Audio. And to help you look good, the HD camera automatically adjusts to lighting and skin tones, which is powered by new Windows 11 features. This is a wonderful device on its own, but when we start to layer in other things like more features of Windows 11 and the ability to power your creativity and productivity with Microsoft 365, then we're really cooking with gas. Surface Laptop Go 3 has a fingerprint power button on selected models with one-touch sign-in using Windows Hello. And you can set this up right from the out-of-box menu to have the peace of mind that your device is always going to be secure and personal to you. Windows 11 is optimized for touch and multitasking tools like Snap Assist and Focus Sessions to help you get things done faster. You can unlock your creativity with Microsoft Designer, Clipchamp, and other exciting features within Microsoft 365. With Surface Laptop Go 3, you can get a beautiful device in a color that best suits you. And it's so light and portable that it's easy to pop into almost any bag and take it with you on the go. Accomplish anything with ease: work, school, assignments, emails, handle whatever the day brings you with Surface Laptop Go 3.